You want massive results, but nothing seems to change. What if I told you the secret isn't a huge effort? It's tiny daily actions, almost invisible, that build unstoppable momentum. This is what Atomic Habits is really about. Atomic Habits, by James Clear, is a book about how small, consistent actions create extraordinary results over time. I read it because I wanted to understand why some people improve every day while others stay stuck. Today, I'll share the key lessons you can apply immediately without reading a single page. Lesson 1. Focus on systems, not goals. Goals are important, but systems create results. Focus on daily habits rather than fixating on the end goal. Lesson 2. Tiny changes matter. Small improvements compound over time. A 1% change each day becomes huge in a year. Lesson 3. Make habits obvious. Design your environment to make good habits visible. Place cues that remind you to act. Lesson 4. Make habits attractive. Pair habits with something enjoyable to increase your chances of sticking with them. Lesson 5. Make habits easy. Remove friction for habits you want. Add friction for habits you want to break. Lesson 6. Make habits satisfying. Immediate rewards reinforce habits. Track progress to feel the satisfaction. Lesson 7. Focus on identity, not outcomes. True change comes from seeing yourself as the type of person who embodies the habit. Lesson 8. Break bad habits with inversion. Invert the 4-step process to remove bad habits. Make them invisible, unattractive, difficult, and unsatisfying. Lesson 9. Track your habits. Use habit trackers or journals. Measuring progress reinforces consistency. Lesson 10. Use habit stacking. Attach a new habit to an existing one to create a chain of routines. Lesson 11. Design your environment. Shape your surroundings to make good behaviors easier and bad ones harder. Lesson 12. Focus on small wins. Celebrate tiny achievements. Momentum comes from repeated small victories. Lesson 13. Be consistent, not perfect. Missing a day is okay. Return immediately and stay consistent. Lesson 14. Leverage social influence. Surround yourself with people who model the habits you want. Lesson 15. Long-term thinking wins. Focus on tiny, daily improvements, not quick fixes. Compounding is the real power. I started applying these lessons by journaling 5 minutes every morning, tracking my progress, and stacking small habits on my existing routines. Within a few weeks, I felt more focused, productive, and in control. Imagine what consistency over months or years could do for your life. The biggest mistake is expecting results instantly. The book teaches compounding change, not overnight transformation. Habits work slowly, but relentlessly. Books give knowledge, but action creates results. Start applying at least one lesson from Atomic Habits today. For more daily strategies, mindset upgrades, and practical tools to improve your life step by step, subscribe to Daily Upgrade Motivity.